Here's a short video to show you how to send an e-sign package in Filogix Expert Pro. To start, select the application for the client you'd like to send an e-sign package to. Go to your Documents tab and select the type of document you want to send. I'll send a consent form, for example. Then click Upload. Select the document you need your client to sign and click Open. Once you have the document uploaded into your application, click Actions and in the top right, Create e-sign package. Then click Create e-sign package. Here you can select an existing template or click Next Step. Select the document you'd like to send to your client. Next step. Your main applicant and any co-applicants will automatically be added into the document as signers. You can also add additional contacts as signers. From here, click Next Step. Confirm that you are the sender of the document, then click Next Step. Once the document loads, you can drag and drop fields into your document and assign them to your signers. Add autofill fields like applicant name, which will be autofilled with your signer's name and date signed. Add signatures where your client will be required to sign, and for any other fields, use the blank text box. Assign fields to different signers by selecting their name from the drop-down, and if you need to include your own signature in a document, you can assign fields or signatures to yourself. Once you're done adding fields into the document, click Next. Add a document title and include an optional message if you like. Click Send for signature to send the document. You should receive confirmation that your request has been sent. To view all the e-sign packages you've sent to a client or to send a reminder email, click Actions, Create e-sign package. If you click View Details, you can see which of your signers have completed the documents and which have not. Clicking the envelope icon will send out a reminder email to all clients who have not yet signed. The status of a package will be changed to completed once all signers have completed the document. That's how to send an e-sign package in Filogix Expert Pro.